In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to repeat header rows on every printed page in Google Sheets. If you've ever printed a long spreadsheet and lost track of what each column means on page 2 or 3, this quick setup will save you time and make your printouts much clearer. Start by opening your Google Sheets document so you're looking at the sheet you want to print. When you're ready, go to the File menu at the top and choose Print. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on a Mac. This opens the Print Setup window, which shows a live preview of what your spreadsheet will look like on paper or in a PDF. In the Print Setup panel, locate the section labeled Headers and Footers. Inside that area, click on the option called Formatting. This expands several formatting controls specific to how your sheet will be laid out when printed, including the setting we need. Scroll down until you see Rows to repeat at top. This is the feature that makes sure your selected header row appears at the top of every printed page, so your column titles are always visible. Click inside the input box for Rows to repeat at top. Your cursor will become active, and you can now choose the row or rows you want to repeat. Usually, this is the very first row, where your column headers live. To select it, simply click the row number on the left edge of the sheet. If your header spans more than one row, drag over those row numbers to include them all. As soon as you've made your selection, look at the print preview on the right. You should see the chosen row or rows repeated at the top of every page in the preview. This immediate feedback helps you confirm you picked the correct header. If it doesn't look right, click back into the input and select the proper rows. Keep in mind, this setting only affects printing. It won't change how your sheet looks on screen while you're editing. Once you're satisfied with the preview and the repeated headers, click Next. From there, you can send the document to a printer or choose to save it as a PDF, which preserves those repeating headers for sharing or archiving. That's all there is to it. By repeating your header rows, you make multi-page printouts far easier to read and much more professional. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your printing workflow in Google Sheets.